Hi guys, welcome today in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, weekend is past. Monday, November the 16th, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, tectonic with 3 stars. Well, is this 3 stars? I believe those are 4 stars. Wow! Binary number 1 and a binary number 2. So, total of 8 extra Sudokus. And the first one is a Sudoku with 3 stars. I won't do them all. I do only the 3 stars, 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary. And this will be a number 1889. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, digits. This one has 25. You can check if I'm right or wrong. Alright, so let's get started. In the last row, we see here 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6 in this big square. We have an 8 and a 6 in this big square, so no 8 and a 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Those missing numbers in the last row are the missing numbers 3 and 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7 in this column. So no 1 and a 7 in those 2 boxes. The 1 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the numbers 4 and 2. 2 and 4. Let me mark them for you. 2 and 4. Alright. 2 and 4. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then we have a pair. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. Let me see if I'm correct. 4, 4. No. I'm not correct. Not correct. Alright. So let me think. Let me do something else. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here. So this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for 4 should be here. Or there we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. The 6 should be there. We have a 6 here. And the 7, I need a 7 in this big square. Well, I see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this can't be a 7 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 9. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. No, 7 we have here. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them. 1 and 8. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 9 are missing. 6 and the 9. Let me mark them for you. Alright. Alright. Let me continue. 8, 8. 8, 8. Yes. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in this column, an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8, the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column. The numbers 3 and 5 are missing in this column. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And no. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. 8. 9. Alright. 7. 7. Let me think. How about those 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. We see here 4. So no 4 in this box. Here also a 4. No 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers now left in this column. The 9 are missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 6 in this big square and no 6 in that box, so the 6 should be there and the 9 goes here. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Then those missing numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing. 8 is missing. and a 9. 3, 8, 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 3 here. So the 8 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. They cannot be in this box. One digit left should be the 9. The 8 and the 3 goes in as a pair in those two boxes. In this row we have 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in those two boxes. One box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4s in those two boxes. One box left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Yes, in this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in those two boxes. There are 1, no 1 in that box. One box left for the 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 2 and 2 and 2 and 6. Yeah, 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this can be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here and 6, we see there 6, so no 6. 6 is in those two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. One box left in the third row for the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 7. Yes. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 1 and the 8. We see here 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow! For a 3-star Sudoku, I'm very, very surprised. It should be a 1 star. Anyway, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a moment with the second Sudoku I will solve. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. Well, be patient. See you later. Bye bye for now.